Hello, this is my project one for CSIT 437, the class of summer, and I'm going to go through all my project and I'm going to talk a little bit about that as well. I decided to start my project and do my personal portfolio for the future for future jobs for interviews so I can have something to show to the people to the company that I would like to approach to get a future job in software development. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the structure that I use. This is my project. This will be the first project. Name it with my last name, Gonzalez Project One. And we have here all the structure. I use Flask, Python, HTML, um, CSS, and also Bootstrap as one of my frameworks to give it that little bit of a professional look to my portfolio. So I'm gonna go ahead and start showing my environmental variable. Um, so this is basically what I use to run Flask, uh, and it's really useful to use in terms of I can also use other different libraries from Python, and also I can use it just for this project and then keep it like that in this, as I mentioned it, uh, virtual virtual env variable. So now after that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I have a couple of folders. I have my templates. I have my app.py, which will be this one, which import Flask and render templates, and also will run Flask on a local host server. So every time we go to the root of that server, it will redirect me to index. If I go to about, it will redirect me to about.html, and so going on like that. Projects and contact, which is the structure that I use to create my project, my portfolio. These are the static properties that I have, which one of those is main.css, which I use to create the layout of my web page. Also, I have a picture that I use. It's my picture for the portfolio. In templates, I have the about page that's HTML, which couple of information, tags, H1 tags, div tags to have my image, as well as a base tab with all the navigation links, with the Bootstrap link as well, with the style sheet link as well. And contact me with my GitHub link, with my personal email, an index page with some more information about me, with the experience I have done so far, and also my projects, which will show a nice layout of in in um, in these little tags when I will show you a little bit of information about my project, the role that I took part of that project, and the technologies that I use. So that will be a quick introduction of what I did. I will show you right now. I'm gonna run Flask here, doing Python app.py, and here is the server running. I'm going to show you right here is my local host 5000. So right now you see it wasn't active, but now that it's active, I can refresh. And here's my home page on my portfolio. You can see the nice layout. I'll show you a little bit more about that. The information I just told you about. We can go to about page. I'll let you know a little bit more about me, my picture. I would like to add more information, of course. Probably something about my hobbies or something about why I decided to go through this career. my projects. Here I have nice layout in these little letters or tags with the name, with the explanation of the project, with the technical details. These are some of the projects that I worked in the last couple of years. And then we have the contact page, which is basically just my email, a GitHub link that will send you to my link to my GitHub page with more projects and more information about me. And we have the back home button, and then here's basically all the pages, the links, and it's a simple project, but I would like to extend it in the future. But I really enjoyed working on this project, and well, I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation as well. Thank you.